initial login process. WebPay uses a Register New User account wizard that takes you step by step through the login setup quickly and easily. The wizard begins the setup by requiring the user to review and key in the text as it is displayed. This ensures that the person attempting to create a login is in fact a human being and not some sort of predatory software. Please note, if you find that the initial text is difficult to read, you can always click the Display New Image link to display a different one. Once you have entered the text, you can proceed to the next step in the wizard by clicking the Next button. Now the wizard is going to verify your identity. To complete this step, you will be required to enter your Paylocity assigned company ID, your last name, your 9-digit social security number, and your home zip code. Once your identity has been verified, you will be requested to create a username and confidential password. Let's start with the username. Usernames are not case sensitive and can be 3 to 20 characters in length. You will then select a confidential password. Passwords are case sensitive. For added security, passwords can be anywhere from 7 to 20 characters in length and must contain 3 of the following 4 rules: 1 or more numbers, 1 or more uppercase letters, 1 or more lowercase letters, 1 or more non-alphanumeric characters. To complete this step, you will be required to enter your password a second time in the Confirm Password field. Now that we've created our username and confidential password, we can proceed to the next step in the wizard. Now it's time to select our 3 challenge questions and answers. Going forward, each time you change your password, you will be asked to provide the correct answer to one of your challenge questions as an added layer of security. Let's take a moment to review the list of available challenge questions before making our selections. Challenge question 1, what is your favorite comic strip, has been selected. Now it's time to provide the answer to that question in the corresponding field labeled Answer 1. Please note that each answer field has an 80-character limit. Notice that we've added the answer Peanuts to challenge question 1, what is your favorite comic strip, in the corresponding Answer 1 field. To complete the challenge question setup, you will also select questions from the Question 2 drop-down and Question 3 drop-down, as well as entering the corresponding answer to each login challenge question in the Answer 2 and Answer 3 fields respectively. Now it's time to set up your final layer of security, a security image and a personal security phrase. Selecting a security image and personal security phrase will help guard against phishing, criminally fraud process of attempting to acquire sensitive information such as usernames and passwords. Upon clicking on the drop-down, you will see a large pool of images to choose from. To make a selection, simply click on the image of your choice. Once an image has been selected, you will see your choice in the Security Image section. Next, you will be required to create a personal security phrase in the applicable field. Notice that we've added a personal security phrase of Go Tigers. Please note that the security phrase can have up to 128 characters. Once we've created our personal security phrase, we can proceed to the final step. The final step in the registration wizard is to verify that all appropriate information, which includes company ID, last name, username, security image, and security phrase, have been added and are correct. Once all information has been verified, the login registration setup is complete. Upon setting up your initial login, the next time you log into WebPay with your company ID and username, your security image and personal security phrase will appear automatically, letting you know that you have reached a legitimate Paylocity website and it is safe to enter your password. If you do not see your security image, do not attempt to enter WebPay and contact your company administrator. Please remember that going forward, each time you change your password, you will be asked to provide the correct answer to one of your challenge questions as an added layer of security. We have a wide variety of Paylocity client training resources available to meet your specific needs. This includes user guides, quick guides, additional videos, application help text, and instructor-led training classes. To hear more about these options, simply click the link below to watch a brief video that will provide you with all of the details.